Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. The Sandbox has seen a 5.6% increase over the last 1 week. Over the last 1 month, the Sandbox is only up 3%. But we're seeing the altcoin market having huge pumps to the upside. We believe the Sandbox is about to go on a huge run to the upside. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We have seen the Sandbox have a brutal bear market. How high can we go in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We'll also take a look at the Sandbox performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, and we'll finally look at the Sandbox market cap, which currently sits around the $635 million level. Can Sandbox market cap cross the $1 billion level, $2 billion, maybe even get as high as $5 billion before the end of the year? If we get that alt season, we're going to see altcoins going crazy, but are we still going to get that alt season in 2023? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We have seen huge pumps in the altcoin market in the last 1 week. The last 1 week has been kind to us in this bear market. Guys, we've been seeing huge dumps in this bear market. But right now, good news is around the corner. Right now, we're ready to start pumping to higher prices. The Sandbox trades around the $0.3 level with a market cap of $635 million, a 24-hour trading volume of over $43 million. The Sandbox has a circulating supply of over 2 billion tokens. Total supply sits at 3 billion tokens with a fully diluted market cap for the Sandbox sitting at $922 million. The all-time high for the Sandbox happened in November 2021. Almost 2 years ago, we saw the Sandbox trading around $8.44. Right now, the Sandbox is down 96.35%, and the all-time low happened in November of 2020. That was around 3 years ago, where we saw the Sandbox trading around the $0.028 level, and the Sandbox is up 964% from that level. So why are investors piling up to get some of the Sandbox? Why are they accumulating this coin, getting ready for that big alt season? The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of a game. By combining the power of decentralized autonomous organization and non-fungible tokens, the Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for the thriving gaming community. Let's take a look at the Sandbox US dollar price charts. This was one of the best performing altcoin in the previous bull market. Guys, the $1,000 invested in Sandbox in November of 2020 would have returned for you more than $2.7 million in November of 2021. So crazy things can happen in the altcoin market. Those crazy things happen very quickly. In the space of a year, $1,000 would have made you a multi-millionaire if you were holding Sandbox. But guys, the altcoin market that can give you huge gains can also take those gains very quickly. We saw the Sandbox in its first full crypto bear market lose 96% of its value, which is usual in the altcoin market. Right now, we're expecting that long-awaited alt season. We've been seeing alt season everywhere in crypto. In 2023, we have majorly been in Bitcoin season. Bitcoin has been the king of the market. Bitcoin has been holding on very strong. And guys, right now we're going towards alt season. Alt season is where you see altcoins going crazy. The last time we saw an alt season in the cryptocurrency market, we saw the Sandbox printing crazy. We saw the Sandbox in the space of just 161 days going up by more than 6,000%. So we are key levels I expect the Sandbox to rally to if we get a long-awaited alt season. I'm telling you the meaning of alt season, but let's look at the Sandbox chart first. Sandbox sits around the $0.28 level, trading around $0.3. That's how low we have come in this bear market. Bear markets can be brutal. Bear markets are not fun, but bear markets are where you want to accumulate, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Around the $0.81 level is where I expect to see Sandbox having some difficulties. We saw Sandbox rallying to that $0.81 level earlier in the year. We got rejected there and continue heading back to Gobbling Town. So that $0.81 level is going to be very interesting. We've seen the Sandbox have reactions to that level in the past. And right now, if we see the Sandbox heading back to the $0.81 level, I'll not be shocked if we consolidate there or even if we get rejected there. But best case scenario before the end of the year, best case scenario, if we see that long awaited all season, guys, I'm not in the camp that believe we're going to be seeing new all-time highs before the end of the year. We can easily see the Sandbox rallying up above $2, best case scenario getting to as high as that $3.42 level. From where the Sandbox is currently trading right now, that will see us rallying up by about 1,000%. And guys, 1,000% might sound very, very large. A 10x pump in this kind of market conditions might sound very far-fetched, but remember, the altcoin market can go crazy. We've seen it happen in the past. I expect us to see it happen in the future. And how are we going to know when alt season? If 75% of the top 50 coins are performing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's officially alt season. Now it's officially Bitcoin season because the last 90 days have seen Bitcoin performing better than all coins. So Bitcoin has been holding on strong. Finally, we'll see capital flowing into the altcoin market when Bitcoin is done pumping to higher prices. Where can you get some Sandbox? If you want to get some of these tokens for yourself, you can get the Sandbox on Binance, on BitTop, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Sandbox tokens right there. Now let's take a look at Sandbox performance against Bitcoin. Sandbox had huge pumps to the upside against Bitcoin just from the month of October in 2021 till November when the bull run ended. We saw Sandbox in the space of 35 days outperforming Bitcoin by more than 1,200%. But with huge pumps in the altcoin market also comes huge dumps to Goblin Town. Sandbox had a 92% dump to Goblin Town. If we get that long awaited alt season, guys, we can easily see Sandbox outperforming Bitcoin by 100, 200, maybe even as high as 700% before the end of the year. If you take a look at Sandbox market cap, which currently sits below $1 billion, Sandbox market cap in this bear market dropped to as low as $575 million. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, if we get that long awaited alt season, I'll be paying attention to Sandbox market cap when it hits that $2 billion region. That $2 billion region might prove to be very, very difficult. But if we can rally above the $2 billion level, best case scenario before the end of the year, again, I don't think we'll see it pumping to new all-time highs, guys. Even though I believe we'll see alt season, even though I believe we'll see the altcoin market going crazy, I don't think we're seeing new all-time highs for a lot of altcoins in the market. I think the Sandbox market cap can even get to as high as $4 billion. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see the Sandbox going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you a believer in alt season? Do you see altcoins going crazy to the moon, including Sandbox? And where do you think you see Sandbox ending the year at? Currently, it trades at the $0.3 level. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, at Mr. Legend Crypto. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.